us experiencing something together as potential. And public art plays with these ideas. How do we see things as a collective? How do we share things with each another? How do we give our point of view to other people who might have another point of view? The water now is very important. The way the water rocks the boat, the way you experience the journey all together, the way you see the city from the water, and the way the four waterfalls talk to each other is a part of the project. Making waterfalls is very much about making something out of a material which we might take for granted. So I'm very happy on this journey here today, and I hope you will later also have a chance to go visit the waterfalls from the land, on the bicycle, on the bridges, or just from the city. I think it's important to see that these waterfalls, they change with the weather, with the light, the way that the city changes altogether. And it's, I think, worthwhile addressing or visiting the waterfalls at different times from different sides, having different experiences. I hope you will take these experiences with you back to where you came from and share them with other people, or keep them for yourself in your own life. Welcome.